any decision that we're making, right? Should I buy this or that? Should I eat this or that? Any decision that we're making, whether it is a small day-to-day decision or a big one, there's always that fear we have that things may not go as planned, or the decision that we're making might be the wrong choice, right? So to put your trust in Allah is to acknowledge that I don't know everything. I don't know the future. I can't foresee everything, right? And I do my best knowing what I know, and I put my trust in Allah that He will take care of the results, and whatever that happens, inshallah, there will be something good in it. Tawakkul doesn't mean that you become lazy and that you don't do anything and you don't put in your effort. Like, for example, if you're cooking and you're like, yeah, you know what, I don't know whether I should put salt or not, whether I should, put these spices or not. I just put my trust in Allah and whatever happens, happens. No, you have to do your part, right? You have to know what you're cooking, how much you're putting, what you are putting. But if your fear and your anxiety is getting out of control, that you just want perfection, and out of this fear that the results are not going to be perfect, you are panicking, you are getting overly worried and concerned, that is not healthy, right? So you counter your fears and your worries with what? With knowing that Allah is there. When you reach your limit, you know that you have reached your limit, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is there to take care of your affairs.